In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily get your Telegram profile link. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Telegram app and after that, head over to settings. On the settings page, at the top right corner, you can easily find Edit. Just tap at Edit, and then on the next step, we can right over here find Username. We need to get into username settings, and if you haven't set username for your Telegram profile, first of all, you need to create it. Just enter a username here, and then it will appear down below here in the format of the URL, which starts with t.me / and then your username. Once the username is created, you can easily copy it by tapping right here at that URL. And then we can immediately share it with the suggested contacts here, or we can just copy it to the clipboard. Once it is done, we can manually paste it anywhere. I can head over to saved messages on Telegram to demonstrate you how it works. All we have to do is just tap at that text field, then hit paste, and then hit send. That's how we can easily get and then share with someone Telegram profile link. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.